it's pretty surreal, you know, coming from England and driving into the goat farm and seeing the big number 4 on the water truck as you drive in, and knowing that this is such a iconic place. It's pretty special, and got to pinch yourself sometimes. It's like, right, I'm going to work, but it's cool to have made it here. I do feel like I've got to a good level, so I'm excited. The off season's been going well. We'll see what happens when the season rolls around. I have a routine, like a pre-race routine, that I basically stick the same every time, but that's just when you put your goggles on, you're on the gate and going through my line to the first turn and things like that. It's more of a mental routine, but not necessarily a superstition of, oh, I've got to put the left boot on or the right boot on. I've kind of learned to adapt and be pretty good at whatever's thrown at me. I try and accept that, well, that's the situation, so just got to get on with it. Supercross is like, you've made it. That's the top of the top. And for me to be back here now, full circle, in a position where I feel like I can win races and be a title guy with a team like this and a bike like I've got, it's pretty incredible. And yeah, Supercross is, yeah, it's the highest you can get. That's how it feels to me.